All right. Can you help me count down from 10?
All right.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
convention, but I'm grateful for the opportunity, and I'm sure you can't blame a reindeer for having hobbies. About me, myself on, cheerful disposition, punctuality.
Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus.
It's him! It's Santa Claus! Oh my goodness! There he is! Santa Claus himself! And boy, after a trip from the North Pole, Santa Claus is looking very good. Let's give him a hand again!
Merry Christmas, everybody! Hello, Stacy.
Hello, Santa! Oh my goodness! Everybody has been waiting so patiently.
Have they been good?
Have you all been good?
Yeah! You?
Of course, you already know, don't you, Santa
I do.
Claus?
I do.
Santa knows. So tell us, how was your trip from the North Pole?
Pretty smooth, except for a rough patch over that state up north.
Oh,
It
ew.
got a little rough.
I bet it did. I bet it did. And the
Somebody-
reindeer are good, right?
They stole my signs.
Oh my heavens! Even Santa signs! That is not right. All right, here's the deal. Are you ready, Santa? Everybody's been waiting to illuminate over 2 million lights.
2 million. Wow. Are you ready to see that?
So the more important question, everybody, are you ready?
All right. Can you help me count down from 10?
All right.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss it.
Wow!
How was that, folks?
Is amazing! Listen, the big band is here! Wow, let's give it all a hand!
Do these people at Easton Town Center know how to put on a party?
Well, Santa is here and the holiday season has begun. So we wish you all a Merry, Merry Christmas. We want to let you know that you can check out so many things around Easton tonight and through the holiday season. The OSU Alumni Band is at the Yard and Central Park Fountain Spaces. Check it all out. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Santa! Thank you!
Merry Christmas! Ho, 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 ho.
Let me
And the thing that will make them ring is the carol that you sing right within.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace.